So we gotta go. It's time to get up. Hello, we are One Direction. Yay! Hi, we're One Direction. You gotta help me. I'm stuck inside your phone. Answer it to set me free. Hurry! It's stuck me in here. Hi, we're One Direction.
Someone's calling you. Answer your phone. Unless you don't like them, and then you can just pretend that you didn't hear me. Which I would never do to anyone because that would be mean. Unless they smell.
Hi, we're One Direction. Whoa, you're popular. Someone's calling you, pick up your phone. Come on, I'm a busy guy. I can't hang around inside your phone doing ringtones all day. Answer it! Hi, we're One Direction.
Answer your phone. You're annoying everybody now. Answer your phone. Pick up the phone. Pick it up. Pick it up now. Get it.
Hi, we're One Direction.
This is the most annoying ringtone ever.